Y'all, listen to me. Listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. Okay, out of all the footwear I have got my hands on and I've touched for this year, 2023, these right here, I have wore the most, and honestly, I'm liking these so much. Crocs, Salehe Bembury, if you're watching this, any way I can get my hands on the green one, any way, send them my way, man. Send them my way. You are a crazy sneaker designer, bro. Like, no exaggeration. Any ways you can go ahead and give me that green pair, because these right here are absolutely phenomenal. They're phenomenal. We need to take a look at these right now. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid, Nefrat. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you're having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, as you see the thumbnail, and the reason you click on this video is because I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review. Now, before I go into this review, I just want to tell you this is something completely different. This is like from what I usually do. This is a sneaker, but it's not really a sneaker. It's like another piece of footwear, and I do want to incorporate more of this on the channel because versatility when it comes to shoes is definitely important to me, and I hope you guys like that as well, because I just don't want my channel just to be like, you know, one brand thing. I try to do a whole bunch of reviews on many different brands. So with that said though, today we are taking a look at the brand Crocs, and I've been waiting to review these, man. I've been waiting to review this for a while because I remember when this first design was like kind of launched, I guess you would say. I really want them, but due to demand, you know, resellers, they sold out. Anyways though, we're looking at the brand Croc, and today we're also looking at the collaboration with a sneaker designer known as Salehe Bembury, and we'll talk more about that throughout the video as well. But the design and the colorway that we're looking at today is called the Yoke colorway, and this is actually the newest colorway to the Pollex Clog with Salehe Bembury and Crocs, and I'm very excited because I've actually gotten a pair this year, and I've been wearing them to the ground. Probably my most worn sneaker footwear this year, no exaggeration. So with all that said, we're gonna be diving into these Yokes right now, but before I go ahead and actually dive into them, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the love and support. Like, no, you guys have been following me for a while, and if you have, you know, I'm very thankful for you guys. Like, seriously, your guys' love and support means so much to me. If this is your first time checking out any of my videos, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe. That way, anytime I drop a video, you can be the first and alerted and notified. So thank you guys so much. With that said, let's go ahead and dive into these. I want to keep these short and sweet, this video very short and sweet to the point, but I also want to go ahead and give you the best information, because with these, I made a mistake the first time I bought them, and I don't want you guys to do the same thing. So let's take a look at them right now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my knife right here. I actually, wait a second, no knife, where's my knife? Okay, like I said, let's try this again. I'm gonna get my knife right there, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut into these. So backstory before we even dive into them. Crocs has, everyone knows what Crocs are. If you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you know what a Croc is. You probably have a Croc. So Croc and Salehe Bembury, which if you don't know who Salehe Bembury is, let me get you caught up to speed. Salehe Bembury is pretty much, he's a sneaker designer. He's a sneaker designer, and he's done a lot of collaborations with many different famous brands known as Versace, also New Balance. You've seen some of his pieces with New Balance. He's also done things with Anta. He's also done things with Montclair, and now the newest brand that he's done it with is Crocs. And I honestly like that because these are so different, and I think in the sneaker community, things like this is cool to see. It's different, and different sometimes is good in what's needed. So these is the Crocs that he has made and collaborated with Crocs, and I absolutely love these. They're calling these the Pollex Clogs, and these are them right there. So look at the box right here. Absolutely love it. Retail price on these is $85, and if you go ahead on some markets, they go for a little bit, you know, 100, but these are very, very affordable as of right now. I remember the first time they came out with, people were like snagging them up and reselling them, but ever since that kind of like died down a little bit, because resale is kind of down, these are kind of affordable. So he's made many different colorways. I'm gonna put him up right here. He's made I don't know exactly what they're actually called, so I'm gonna call them by the colors. The green, the orange. I'm actually wearing some right now. The Yoke that colorway, which is kind of like a tan color. And I'll have a whole separate video coming up on these because, dude, I'm like collecting these like the way Thanos was collecting the Infinity Stones. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into these babies right now. So here's the box right here, right? As you see right here, it does go ahead and say Crocs, and then it does say him right there, Salehe Bembury. As you look on that side, there's more indentation right there, Crocs. Then as you come up, you do get size description, Crocs, and then let me go ahead and read it for you guys. So it says Salehe Bembury, the Pollex Clog, Yoke, size, this is a men's 10, and a women's would be a 12, and then you have your other sizes right there if you're in different areas. And let me tell you right now on the size. Okay, so the first time I got them in I thought true to size was the best thing, so I got them in 11 because that's my true to size. Don't get them in 11. These things run humongous. Size down, literally size down. I went to a 10, perfect. If you're a 12, go to 11. If you're 11, go to 10. If you're a 10, go to 9, 8, and so forth, because that would really, really help you guys out, seriously. Okay, so as I pan the box right here, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. We're gonna go ahead and get a 3, 2, 1 action. But I love the box. I love the design it comes in. The box is very, very nice. Let's go ahead and flip this back in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we got tissue paper right there. We have nice little fold out indentations right there I like. And as we flip these babies, 3, 2, and let's go. 1 right there. Here we go right here. Here we go right here. This is the Salehe Bembury Crocs, the Pollex Clog, and the Yoke color. Wait, now let me go ahead and bring out the other one right now, and we're gonna talk about these because I honestly think these are very, very interesting, and I'm loving these. Like I said, I'm wearing them right now, and the comfortability on them is just phenomenal. Like literally, I've had so many people even stop me and ask me, what are these? And I told them. So this is for sure interesting. Let me go ahead and put this box up. Here we go right here. These are the Pollex Clogs from Salehe Bembury and Crocs, and here we go right here. This is the newest colorway to his lineup, and man, let me just tell you, these are honestly fire. Salehe, I need them all. Every color you come out with, I need them. I've like hit up Crocs, I've hit him up, and he actually saw my story, so hey, shout out to him. But I need him for real. I need just more colorways. Like I have a lot more on the way that I've ordered, and I'm loving these. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outsole right here. This shoe is very interesting. This is a very interesting shoe, and the design on this is honestly like what I love to see in like the sneaker community and like just sneaker culture. So this is the midsole right here. So what he decided to do, I even looked up some research. This is his design right here, because he said that the DNA, the brand has like a signature DNA, and that's what he wanted to do when he came in and thought about this. So he took this, and the fingerprint that you have on your finger, he put on this Croc right here, which is honestly super, super phenomenal. So here we go right here. This is the DNA. This is Salehe Bembury's DNA. Then as you come up to the midsole right here, it also kind of wraps around. You have like a lot of like warping on the material right there. It goes, and then you kind of have a touch right there of a different tone. And then as you come up, the shoe itself is just a very interesting design. You have a whole, but it's a Croc, but it's almost like a very engineered type of Croc. And then as you come up to the back right here, it does go ahead and say on the tab right there, like your normal Crocs do, it does say Croc, and then down below it says Salehe Bembury, which you know they collabed on it together. As you come up on the, I guess the insole, as you can see right here, you can go ahead and whoopsie, it does say Croc, and then you get some more Salehe Bembury right there, and then you do have the back of the heel. Now, one thing I didn't know on my very first pair, because I kind of like, you know, I was playing around with it, this part right here detaches, and all you gotta do is just take it like this. It detaches, as you see, like that, and this does detach. Just take it off and boom, right there. Let's go ahead and put that back on. That way we can go ahead and continue with the rest of the video, just like so. But that's predominantly, this is the shoe though. This is the shoe. This is the Pollen Clog by Crocs and Salehe Bembury. Like honestly, you guys are doing amazing. Like I said, this stuff is so unique to see in the sneaker community, and it's just very, very nice. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this. Retail price is $85. It kind of ranges if you do go ahead and like they struck out, but as of right now you can buy them over, like most retailers have them. Crocs have them. I got my pair from SNS. I'll leave a link down below, so check that out where you can go ahead and find it, because if you are wanting to try these out, these are nice. I think you guys will really like these. I think you will. And if you're not a big fan of this colorway per se, there's a lot of other colorways. Like I showed you that picture, like you see right here. There's tons and tons of colorways, and I'm very excited to see in the future for how many other colorways come. So comment down below and let me guys know what you think about these the Pollen Clog by Salehe Bembury and Croc. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this has been the review. But before I go ahead and break away to the on-feet review, I do want to go ahead and show you a little bit more perspective. That way, if you're on the verge or like you're interested in wanting to buy these, you can definitely go ahead and check them out. So here we go, right here. Take a look at them. The Crocs and Salehe Bembury Pollen Clog. These are, I'm telling you, these are so nice. These are so nice. This changes. For me, this is something different that I needed to see. I got tired of, not just so much I'm tired of the sneakers, but I just wanted something different and change. And this definitely gave me different for sure. Man, Crocs, if you're watching this video, y'all tag Crocs. Tag Croc for me. If you're watching this video, I would love to be able to do more reviews. If you guys can send me products like Crocs, like I would love to be able to do it for you. Like seriously. I would love to. This is just, when it comes to footwear, stuff like this is so cool. And I've been doing YouTube for a while now. I want to be able to kind of like dibble dabble into other silhouettes like I've been doing, but this stuff, getting stuff like this is just super cool. So let me know what you guys think about the Yoke Pollen Clog by Salehe Bembury and Crocs. Like for real, let me know, guys. Is it something that you're gonna get? Is it a hit or a miss, or it's like, you know what, I want something different? Let me know for real. Hey guys, so the on-feet review is getting ready to come up right now. This has been the review over the Yoke Pollen Clog. I always say Colin, it's Pollen Clog by Salehe Bembury and Crocs. Let me know how you guys think down below. Appreciate you guys so much for tapping into the channel. It means so much. I'm gonna try to stay more consistent the best I possibly can. And until next time, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. We are getting more reviews on these, so stay tuned. Stay tuned, because I'm telling you, I'm collecting these things like Thanos did the Infinity Stone. So until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace, y'all.